Hey, what's up my friends? Welcome back to another sprinkler tech tip video. I'm sprinkler nerd Andy, and today we're going to look at the Hunter X-Core controller. This is one of the most basic controllers you can buy. Basic in terms of price, basic in terms of setup, using it, mounting it, everything. It's just a very, very easy to use, inexpensive residential controller. So let's take a quick look, flip the camera over, and let's open the box. So you can see this particular version is just the indoor version. And you know that right away because it's not in another cabinet, and a lot of indoor controllers have the transformer located on the outside or on the plug versus inside the box. You can get the X-Core controller inside of a cabinet, and then the X-Core controller also comes in a hybrid version, which I have another video about, and that's the battery version that you can use a solar panel with. So in the box, you have the controller, you have the transformer, you've got some drywall mounting screws. Again, there's no keys or anything like that because there's no cabinet. Let's come back around so that you can get a better look at it. Again, it's very small, easy to mount. On the back, there is a mounting bracket, so you can just simply put the screw in the wall, leave it just a little bit off, and then it'll cinch down on top. And then let's go ahead and take this panel off here. This is where your wires are installed. And actually, before I do that, let me show you on the bottom. You can wire up conduit right in there. So you can actually do a nice clean installation job. I'll take that off. And there you can see this particular system only has, is that right? Dang, I guess so. This one is just a 2-station. That's kind of odd. Didn't realize they made just a 2-station. I thought it was a 4 for a minimum, but here is a 2-station. And then obviously the yellow, there's your 24 volts. And then that is your sensor input. And you can see how there's a jumper wire in there. For those of you that aren't familiar with that jumper that's in there, that's because those terminals are normally closed. So if you remove that jumper, it'll trip this control box into thinking that you're in a rain suspense mode. So if you want to use this X-Core controller with something like, which I have here, Hunter's wireless rain click, the X-Core controller is totally compatible. You can also wire it up to the solar sink also, which is another great smart watering device. And then on this rain click receiver, you'll see those 2 yellow wires. And then on the X-Core controller, obviously they also get mounted right inside there. Otherwise, I think that, you know, this particular controller, I don't know, it has something like maybe three programs and multiple start times for each program. So it's really just a basic timer. Definitely inexpensive, easy to hook up, less than $100. And yeah, I would say if you're looking to replace it, then you know what you're looking for. Otherwise, if you have a control box from 1989 or 1995 and you don't want to spend a lot of money replacing it, and you only have a couple zones, this is definitely easy to use, and it's great because you can hook it up to the wireless rain sensor and the solar sink. So yeah, I think that wraps up this one. If we can help you with any of your Hunter sprinkler needs or Rainbird Toro, Weathermatic, K-Rain, just let us know. We're happy to help. You can reach us by phone, chat, and email. Until the next tech tip, happy sprinkling, and we'll talk to you then.